today, the one thing that I wanted to talk about was brand new traders, because I know at this point there's going to be a lot of brand new traders to this channel that have never done anything as far as chart reading or chart trading. The most important advice that I can give to you guys right now, if you're just joining this, for the first month, maybe 6 weeks, you need to paper trade. What paper trade means is either write down things when, like, say you want to buy a stock at $100. Write it down that you would buy it at $100. Be truthful with yourself that you were going to actually pull the trigger at 100 and see what happens from there and calculate your returns based on that. You can also do things in, I believe, Webull. I know TD Ameritrade has paper trading, but use play money first. Make sure you know what you're doing, especially when you're going short. Shorting is a brand new concept to everybody. Most people that are involved in the investing world know how to go long on a stock. Understand what going short means. You have unlimited loss potential. A stock can go as high, if you're long on a stock, the lowest you can go is 0. Once you hit 0, you lose all your money, it's over. There's an infinite number that you can go to on the top side, and you could just keep losing and losing and losing. So that's when stops come into play, etc. But what I wanted to really drive home in this video is we need to use paper trading in our first 4 to 6 weeks minimum and really understand what we're doing and feel comfortable with trading. There is no rush to get in and start buying things with real money. Understand it first. The stock market's going to be around for a very long time. Delaying yourself another 6 weeks if you've never done this before and you're 30 years old, it's not going to make or break your life. What can make or break you is if you go in there and just start trading real money and you get burned very quickly. So grab some of those brokerage houses that give you paper trading or write things down, and that's what's going to make you a successful trader. It's understanding things and getting in rather than rushing into them. So like and subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, join our Patreon. We can talk a lot more about this, and hopefully that 4 to 6 week period, you can really, when you join the Patreon, you can really understand things within that 4 to 6 week range, and you'll become a much better trader much quicker. Have a great day, guys.